changing. We go from shorts, however briefly, to shoveling. WBZ's Kristina Rex is live in Boston tonight with more, Kristina, on how people are reacting to this big swing in temperatures.
Yeah, Lisa, just a traditional cold New England night tonight. The wind is going. It's so hard to believe we were walking around in T-shirts earlier today. And basically what people had to say today is that this is just so typical Massachusetts.
You've heard the saying, if you don't like the weather in New England, just wait 15 minutes. All these different scenes were recorded in just the last 2 weeks, a whirlwind of New England weather that soon will be crammed into just 2 days.
It's windy, but it's very warm out.
A gorgeous day on Wednesday paired perfectly with February vacation. But as the sun set, the weather took a very New England turn. And skateboarding was soon replaced with ice skating.
It's really fun because I've never been here.
Small piles of slush surrounded by melting ice painted an accurate picture of a weird weather day.
We got here around like 2 o'clock and it was a lot warmer and I thought I would be fine. And then we went into a store and we came out and it was freezing. So this is actually for my boyfriend and I had to go and get a hat from like a store because it was way too cold for me.
The frigid turn had parents pulling down their kids' sleeves to keep their hands warm. And people in Boston bracing themselves from the wind. If today's crazy turn wasn't enough, look out for the next 2 days as Friday is set to bring several inches of snow.
I cannot believe that. It was so nice today. I would have never thought that in the next 2 days we would be getting a lot of snow.
You know, one thing I always notice in these wild weather stories, while the adults are shivering and freezing when the weather turns over, the kids find a way to enjoy the day no matter the temperature. Live in Boston, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
That is so true. Kristina, thank you. You can